Hi, I'm Chef Maria Liberati, author of the Gourmand World Cookbook Award cookbook series, The Basic Art of Italian Cooking. And I'm here today at Gaiman Design Remodeling Kitchen Showroom in Harleysville, Pennsylvania. Today, I'm going to make a recipe with garlic, olive oil, and cheese. I'm going to make an omelet. Take 1 clove of garlic, which I minced here, but I sauteed it with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 2 eggs for our omelet, we're going to whisk these eggs together. You can do it with a wire whisk or a regular kitchen fork, whatever is easiest for you. A dash of pepper, a dash of salt, and I'm adding in my Parmesan cheese. Gonna stir that just a little. Okay, so now we're going to, I'm gonna bring this pan back. Heat it up so the garlic and olive oil is hot so we can stick in, so I can stick this omelet mixture in so I can pour in the omelet mixture. Okay, I'm pouring this in. Get that all in the pan, make sure you get everything out because the Parmesan cheese has a tendency to stick to the bowl. Now we're going to make sure that our edges don't stick, and this is a non-stick pan, but you want to make sure that the edges do not stick so you'll be able to get this omelet out easily from the pan. You can tilt the pan so that the runny egg mixture fills up the holes. All right, the omelet with garlic, cheese, and olive oil is ready to be plated. Comes right out on the pan. Oh, isn't that lovely? And we're going to fold it over, garnish with some fresh parsley, and there you have my recipe for garlic, olive oil, and cheese in an omelet. I'm Chef Maria Liberati, author of the Gourmand World Cookbook Award series, The Basic Art of Italian Cooking, here in the kitchen showrooms of Gaiman Design Remodeling in Harleysville, Pennsylvania. And here's my recipe with garlic, olive oil, and cheese. See you next time.